What's wrong? Is this a seatbelt around you? Can you just get out of the truck real quick? Hey, get out. Is there a problem?
Yes, I'm stuck.
How are you? I don't understand.
Please help me.
Do we need to get a car seat for you? Just get out. It's a seatbelt. Come on, you're a grown woman. Can you just get out for a second? Come here, look. This is beautiful scenery here. I would love to take a picture with you. Come here, sweetie. Come on. Come on, just help out real quick.
I don't understand how I got in this position.
Oh, come on, Mom, twist that way. No, go that way.
I can't go that way.
Okay, now go this way.
This is not funny.
You're actually stuck in the...
Go this way.
Hold on.
Ow!
Hold on. Hey, hold on. You need to lay down.
Oh my God.
You need to lay...
I'm gonna die if someone hits us.
You need to
It's
lay
not
down.
funny.
Lay down. Toward Talissa. Put your head toward Talissa.
Here, I'll put it here. Oh, yeah.
How did you do this?
I don't know.
Hold on. It's too tough.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, here, Brayden. I need you to hold this. I've got to rescue Mom.
Ah.
How does this happen to a grown woman? I'm gonna put you in a car seat.
Ow,
Hold
you're
on.
squishing my boobs.
You're too late. Hey, you have to lay back. You're making it tighter. Don't fight. You're making it tighter. All right. You need to raise up. Step up on this. Yeah, keep going. Okay. Now climb towards Talissa. No, don't do that. You're making it tighter. Go down. When you come up, you're tightening it. Go down, closer to the seat. Yeah, when you do that, see, it loosens up. Now climb toward Talissa. Can we fit your butt through the...
No.
Climb. You have to go down. Go down. Talissa, move that little black bag. This is ridiculous. I think there's too much booty in your pants. That might be the problem. You keep going up. Listen to me. When you go up, it tightens it.
You want to stop this video?
It's squeezing me.
It's 3 minutes.
Here. No.
It's
No,
not.
y'all